Yeah, I mean, look, obviously you can't, not blowing up is sort of like, task number 1 and 2 or whatever. I mean, I think this investment firm, it is going to just be betting on AGI, betting on AGI and superintelligence before the decade is out, taking that seriously, making the bets you would make, if you took that seriously. So, I think if that's wrong, firm is not going to do that well.
Why is everyone suddenly talking about Leo Aschenbrenner? Who is he? The man who reportedly turned $225 million into $20 billion in under just 2 years, and is often known as the Warren Buffett of tomorrow. But why is he in talks now? Because reports suggest that his fund is now being forced to unwind positions after the recent sell-off in AI stocks. And here's what has happened. So Leo is this former OpenAI researcher who was heavily invested in AI. And as the AI stocks rode, his hedge fund has returned over 1,000% in less than 2 years. But there was one problem. Many of those positions were reportedly backed by leverage. So, what exactly is leverage? Leverage is simply investing with borrowed money. Imagine you had $1 million of your own money, you borrowed another $4 million from a bank and invest $5 million together. So, if your investment rises 20%, you've doubled your own money, but if it falls, you've kind of lost your equity. And if it falls further, your lenders can issue a margin call. This will force you to either deposit more cash or sell your investments immediately, which is exactly what has happened here. As the AI stocks fell, the fund pretty much worked with the major banks to unwind positions. And guess what? Citadel reportedly bought much of the portfolio in a block trade. So, this lesson truly is about leverage, how it doesn't amplify just your gains, it also amplifies your losses. That's exactly why in my 0 to 10K investing series, I'm not trying to pick any AI stock. I'm buying executing instead. It's globally diversified, keeping my risks in check, and helps me stay invested through volatility instead of being forced out of it. So if you're following my 0 to 10K challenge, hit follow. And if you learned something new today, send this to someone who thinks borrowing more always means making more. See you.